Fourier series to the functions of any period. Let f of x be a periodic function with period 2l in the interval c comma c plus 2l. That is, x lies between c and c plus 2l. Here we are given that the function f of x L is dependent on the period 2l. C is initial endpoint, c plus 2l is terminal, that is a final endpoint of the interval. We need to identify L, C. Then the Fourier series to the function f of x is given by f of x equals to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where a naught, an, bn are Fourier coefficients. We have the formula for determining a naught, an, bn. A naught by 2 is 1 by 2 into 1 by L integral c to c plus 2l f of x dx. In this formula, we needed L value. L is dependent on period 2l. C is the initial endpoint of the interval. C plus 2l final endpoint of the interval. F of x is given function. An can be determined from 1 by L integral c to c plus 2l f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Here L is based on period 2l, c initial endpoint, c plus 2l final endpoint, f of x is given function. Vn is estimated from 1 by L integral c to c plus 2l f of x sin n pi x by L dx. L is the parameter from the period 2l, c initial endpoint, c plus 2l final endpoint of the interval, f of x is given function. Just we can evaluate this particular integral, we will get the value of bn. After computation, just substitute these values in this series, that is the required Fourier series to the function f of x in the interval c comma c plus 2l, which is the process to obtain the Fourier series to any function of any period.